Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to stream on Twitch in 2025. To do a live stream on Twitch, you require a software called OBS Studio that you can download for free from its website. So for that reason, just simply open a browser and there you have to search for OBS Studio. Once you search for it, you will get different results, but you have to go with the first link, OBS Studio. You will get there. After that, click on Windows and it will get downloaded. Then you have to install it. And once the installation is done, then you have to simply open it up. And this is the interface that you will see at first. So on this page, we have different options all over. So what we have to do is we have to set some specific settings. So for that, click onto this settings option. After that, this page will open and on the left side, we have different options. From all these options, you have to click onto this one, which is the stream. As you click onto it, then you will see this option on this page, which is called the service. Right now, you can see the YouTube HL5 has been selected and we have to change it to Twitch. So for that reason, click onto it and select the Twitch. And after that, you have to click on connect account. And after that, you have to enter your Twitch email address and password and integrate it with the OBS Studio. Once you are done, then what you have to do is you have to click onto this video option. And there we have this one called the base, in which you have to select the second option, and in the output you have to select this specific option, which is 1920 into 1080. Once you have selected, that means we will be able to do the stream into these resolution. Then you have to click on apply and then click on OK. After that, you have to get back and you have to go to the audio. In audio, we have this third option under global audio devices, which is mic slash auxiliary audio, in which you have to select your microphone array. After that, you have to simply get back and then you have to click on to the scene 3 from this section scenes and you have to rename it. You can write it anything. Here I am writing the Twitch. Once you're done, then you have to click on this plus icon in the source, and after that you have to click on game capture and then you have to name it. You can name it anything and then click on OK, and then again click on OK and again click on this plus icon, but go to display capture and give it any name of your choice. Click on OK and again OK. Now all the settings are done, and on the right side we have this option start streaming. Simply click onto it. It will just take a while and after that the streaming will start. Once you go back to there, you will see right now you're streaming and your screen is getting shared. So that's how you can stream on Twitch. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.